How to install Prague Inside Mount Cafe Curtain Rod. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here is the complete set of the rod. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Okay, let's get started. Start by taking out the inside mount brackets. Attach the brackets to both sides of the rod and secure them with screws. Position the rod at your desired location inside the window frame. Use a level to make sure the rod is perfectly horizontal. Mark the position directly beneath the rod with a marker. Remove the brackets from the rod. Hold each bracket up to its marked position. Mark the drilling position on the wall through the bracket. Make the hole at the marked positions with a drill. Insert the wall anchor into the hole. Screw the bracket securely onto the wall. Repeat the same steps to install the bracket on the other side. Slide the curtain rings onto the rod. Then fit the rod into the notch on each bracket. Finally, tighten the screws to lock the rod securely in place. That's it! Your Prague Inside Mount Cafe Curtain Rod is ready to use.